Cox Manufacturing provides machining services utilizing the most advanced technology in multitasking manufacturing. One of those services is CNC Swiss machining. Today, CNC Swiss machining technology has become a widely applied solution for production machining applications, serving an almost endless variety of industries. Though the original technology was designed for the watch industry, this class of automatic lathe has proved to be the machine tool of choice for applications in industries ranging from automotive and defense to medical devices and electronics. Originally developed in Switzerland for very small precision screws and pins used in watches, these automatic lathes utilize a sliding headstock and a fixed guide bushing to support the bar stock right to the point of the cutting tools. This design provides stability in making very small or very long and slender parts. Additionally, these machines have integrated milling capabilities, which in effect creates a highly automated production machining cell that offers the capability of 2 lathes and a milling machine all in one. Parts that were previously made with multiple lathes and mill operations are now completed in one step with faster cycle times and higher automation. And with the advent of computerized numerical control, or CNC, even our simplest 5-axis machines utilize a dual-path CNC control to work both spindles and chorus and commonly engage 2 tools in the cut simultaneously. When it comes to our fleet, nothing is more advanced than our CNC Tornos DECOS. Built in Switzerland by the original Swiss machine tool builder, the CNC Swiss DECOS are the most productive and powerful machines on the market. At the pinnacle of the Tornos technology, these machines are designed for the most demanding machining operations. With 4 independent tool systems and 12 axes of motion, there are infinite possibilities to machine advanced parts. A completely modular machining area, unparalleled flexibility, and rapid setup changes are DECO hallmarks. When it comes to productivity, nothing matches the DECO. But when micro precision is paramount, we turn to the smallest and latest addition to our fleet, the Tornos Swiss Nano. This machine is designed to meet demands for small, extreme high precision workpieces. With 8 axes of motion and 2 independent tool systems and an extremely flexible machining area, it's perfect for any micro workpiece requiring extreme quality, precision, and efficiency. Today's CNC Swiss technology is a vital tool in the precision machining industry. Combining our 60-plus CNC Swiss machines with the rest of our fleet of nearly 100 production machining lathes, Cox Manufacturing delivers the right solution for optimal cost and quality.